Good morning friends. In last lecture we have discussed some of March 2018 university paper. Then after we are discussing March 2019 Sundar and Smile Limited sum. Okay. So in balance sheet we have given various liabilities and assets, and then after additional information. So there is new type of adjustment. First one is during the year bonus shares at 1 share for every 6 shares were issued by capitalizing general reserve account. It means that company is capitalizing its reserves for issuing bonus shares to equity shareholders. First of all, we have to understand that what is bonus shares. So bonus shares are the shares which are provided to shareholders for free of cost. Shareholders do not have to pay 1 rupee for that purpose. So company will issue these bonus shares on the basis of its reserves. So when there is extra reserves in company's accounts, then company will provide bonus shares to its equity shareholders. Okay, so we are discussing that. So first point is during the year bonus shares at 1 share for every 6 shares were issued by capitalizing general reserve. It means if equity shareholder is having 6 equity shares, then he will be provided 1 bonus share. Bonus share means shareholders do not have to pay a single rupee for that purpose. So there is ratio of 6:1. If we check equity share capital, then we are easily understanding that in 2017 equity share capital is rupees 3 lakh. Okay, 3 lakh rupees equity share capital in 2017. If we divide it by its face value, that is rupees 10, then equity shares will be 30,000. Okay, so it is existing shares in 2017. So we have to issue bonus shares for these 30,000 equity shares, and ratio of bonus share is 6:1. If equity shareholder is having 6 equity shares, then 1 bonus share will be issued to him. So bonus shares will be issued for 30,000. When there is 6:1, then for 30,000 how many shares will be issued as bonus shares? So we will have to calculate 30,000 multiply by 1 divided by 6. Okay, when we are doing that calculation, 30,000 divided by 6 means 5,000 equity shares. How much shares? 5,000 equity shares, and its face value is rupees 10. Then total bonus shares issued will be rupees 50,000 rupees. Okay, if we check existing equity share capital, then there is increase of 1 lakh equity shares. If we check equity shares in 2017 column, then it is rupees 3 lakh, and in 2018 it is rupees 4 lakh. It means that there is increase of 1 lakh rupees equity shares, but bonus shares issued are rupees 50,000. So it means that new equity shares are also issued. It means that new equity shares are also issued, from which company is getting some money. Okay, so 50,000 shares are for bonus shares. Okay, 50,000 shares are for bonus shares, and another 50,000. If we check, we are also repeating that calculating on equity of bonus shares. When there is 6 equity shares, 1 bonus shares is provided, then 5,000 equity shares and 50,000 rupees shares are bonus shares. Please check that matter. Bonus shares. Okay, there is increase of rupees 1 lakh. When there is issue of only bonus share for rupees 50,000, So balancing 50,000 will be new equity share issued by company. And for that purpose company is receiving extra rupees 50,000. It means that 5,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to total 50,000. So for that purpose journal entry will be for bonus shares. We are capitalizing general reserve. So for bonus shares journal entry will be general reserve account debit. How much amount? 50,000 rupees to equity share capital. How much amount? 50,000. And balancing 50,000 is issued by new issue, and for that purpose we are receiving money. Okay, so new equity shares, how much amount? So cash or bank account debit 50,000 to equity share capital 50,000. It was a hidden adjustment. Okay, hidden adjustment is there because bonus shares are only for rupees 50,000. So we are second time we are repeating it. So for your better understanding, first of all we will have to calculate bonus shares. How much amount of bonus shares are issued by the company? So if we check information in the sum, then it is provided that 6 equity shares. For that purpose, 1 bonus shares is issued by the company. So ratio will be 6:1. Okay. Our existing equity share capital is how much amount? So rupees in 2017 equity share capital is rupees 3 lakh. When there is 3 lakh divided by face value, then we are getting number of equity shares. That is rupees 30,000. Okay. So we are making this 30,000, and for these 30,000 how much bonus shares will be issued? So bonus share issued will be rupees 5 bonus shares will be issued 5,000. So 5,000 bonus shares multiplied by 10, so there will be the amount of rupees 50,000. If we check balance sheet, equity shares in 2017 it is rupees 3 lakh, and in 2018 it is rupees 4 lakh. So there is increase of rupees 1 lakh. When there is increase of rupees 1 lakh, so bonus share is issued for only rupees 50,000. So balance sheet 50,000 will be new equity shares issued by the company. 5,000 multiplied by 10 and amounting to rupees 50,000. It is a hidden adjustment. Okay. So please consider it. Okay. And for that purpose journal entry will be, so bonus share, for bonus share general reserve account debit, general reserve account debit 50,000 to equity share 50,000, and then after new equity, for new equity shares cash or bank account debit 50,000 to equity share capital account rupees 50,000. Okay, this is our first adjustment for this purpose. Okay, then after working note number 2 for debentures. Okay, so we have provided calculation, working note number 2, calculation of redemption of debentures. We have already studied chapter of redemption of debenture in our class 11 and 12th standard. Okay, according to that effect will be given. So in case of debentures, if we check that second adjustment is provided for this purpose. During the year 1/5 debentures were redeemed at 5% redemption premium. If we check debentures in balance sheet, in 2017 it is rupees 1 lakh, and in 2018 it is rupees 80,000. It is exact amount of 1/5. If we check that calculation for redemption of debentures, then in 2017 it is rupees 1 lakh. So its 1/5 amount will be rupees 20,000. If we deduct 1 lakh from this 20,000 from rupees 1 lakh, then amount will be rupees 80,000. So adjustment is very clear and no hidden adjustment is provided in this adjustment. Okay, so in 2017 it is rupees 1 lakh multiplied by 1/5 debentures are redeemed and redemption amount will be rupees 20,000. Then after redemption premium is 5%. So we will have to calculate 5% redemption premium. Okay, for 20,000, 5% amount will be rupees 1,000. Means total rupees 21,000 are paid to debenture holders. Okay, so journal entry will be debenture, how much percentage? So no percentages are provided, so debenture account debit, how much amount? Journal entry will be rupees 20,000. Okay, debenture redemption premium account debit, because it is our expense. Okay, it is amounting to rupees 1,000 to debenture holders. Okay, how much amount? 21,000. And then after second journal entry will be debenture holders account debit, debenture holders account debit to cash or bank account. Okay, how much amount? 21,000 and 21,000. So we have cleared two new adjustments, because in previous sums these adjustments are not there. So we are discussing these two adjustments. Then after, if we check third adjustment, fixed assets of rupees 1,50,000 is purchased during the year. Very easy adjustment. We will prepare account for that. Proposed dividend in 2017 was paid in 2018. So there is no extra adjustment is provided for which we have to make extra calculations. So please consider these two adjustments and please repeat it, because in examination these kind of adjustments are also asked by the examiners. Okay, so if we check then after, so we will have to prepare statement showing changes in working capital, necessary accounts and fund flow statement, and profit and loss adjustment accounts. So please next part we will complete this statement showing changes in working capital and fund flow statement. Okay.